Wrap procedures and document handoffs. Wrap procedures and document handoffs. Closing the day so tomorrow doesn't bite back. Late day chaos shows up fast. A prop shows up in the wrong pickup window, a costume change gets logged on the wrong call sheet, and suddenly your quick fix turns into a half-day rescue. On high-volume TV schedules, those misses don't come from bad intentions, they come from messy handoffs and half-finished archives. Caleb, 38, a coordinator who runs fast turnover days with lots of moving parts, learned the hard way that wrap isn't the end of production coordination. Wrap is when you lock the record. If you close the day with clean documents, clear handoff notes, and next day ready folders, you cut rework before it starts. You'll need the same practical stuff you use every day: your call sheet and sides for reference, your production management system, or shared drive, your asset naming rules, and a way to confirm delivery, email threads, system status, or a simple handoff log. Set them up before you start wrapping, so you don't waste the last hour hunting for links, call sheet, and any updated pages you use as the day's source, your production management system, shared drive access, a consistent folder structure for wrap and next day handoffs, a handoff medium, email draft, system notes, or a handoff log you reuse, your wrap ready checklist, the framework in this chapter. Practical takeaway to start: your wrap process doesn't need to be fancy, it needs to be repeatable. Repeatability beats memory every time. The wrap ready checklist for clean document handoffs. Your goal at wrap is simple: anyone who picks up the work tomorrow should find the right document in the right place, with the right what changed today notes, and a clear status on what's complete. The method in this chapter is the wrap ready checklist. You run it at the end of your day, after you've confirmed what shipped, what got returned, and what still needs action. Step by step, close the day with a clean record. 1. Freeze your today source documents. Pull the latest call sheet pages you used today, including any updates. Save them as .mm'd call sheet revx in your wrap folder. Why? If someone asks tomorrow what did we think the schedule was at 2 p.m., you'll answer with a file, not a debate. 2. Reconcile deliverables against what actually happened. Go through your open items list, whatever you used during the day, and mark each one as completed and delivered, completed but needs confirmation, still pending, with next action and due time. Why? People don't fail to work, they fail to know what's already done. 3. Archive documents using your naming rules, not your memory. Move or copy the final versions of the day's key documents into your wrap archive: schedule updates, booking confirmations, transport, locations, vendors, media delivery notes, if your team tracks them, any department wrap summaries you received. Use one file naming pattern consistently, for example, department document type version. Why? Tomorrow you need search to work instantly. 4. Write handoff notes in the same place every time. Add a short day wrap handoff note to your system or your shared handoff log. Include what got completed today, what's pending and who owns it, any time-sensitive risks, pickup windows, returns, access issues, where the archived files live, folder path or link. Why? You reduce where is that file? To a single click. 5. Run a 3-minute next day readiness scan. Open the folder for tomorrow's work and confirm you placed anything tomorrow needs: call sheet updates, vendor confirmations, pickup details, any carryover notes, what changed, why it changed, and what to check first. Why? If you archive at wrap but don't stage for next day use, you still create delays. Concrete example with numbers and outcomes: Caleb's show wraps at 6:30 p.m. By 6:45, he runs the checklist. He saves 2026-0608 call sheet Rev 3, the latest one with the location change, into the wrap folder. He checks 12 open coordination items from his list: 9 items completed and delivered, 2 items completed but awaiting confirmation, 1 item pending, prop return pickup tomorrow at 8 a.m. He archives 14 documents using the day naming rule. He counts them so nothing slips. He writes a handoff note with exactly 4 lines in the shared log: 2 completed/confirmed items, 2 awaiting confirmation, 1 pending with owner and pickup time, plus the folder location. He opens tomorrow's staging folder and confirms the prop return pickup note sits at the top. Outcome: by 7 p.m., Caleb knows the record is complete, and tomorrow's coordinator can start without asking him for links. Ask yourself as you work: if I left for the day right now, could someone else find the right file and the right status in under 5 minutes? Caleb's end-of-day scenario: execute the wrap-ready checklist in 20 minutes. Here's a hands-on scenario you can run on your next wrap day. Use it as a template even if your production management system looks different. What Caleb's closing day includes: use this same structure. By 6 p.m., Caleb has a location change that landed late, 2 vendor bookings with confirmation emails, a return window for props that must be scheduled for tomorrow morning, several document updates that arrived in different threads. Do this at wrap, with concrete actions. 1. Create the wrap folder for the day. Folder name: wrap mmdd, subfolders, call sheet. Bookings. Department. Handoff notes expected outcome. You stop scattering files across desktops, chat threads, and email attachments. 2. Save the final call sheet pages, file name, yemmd call sheet revx, place it in, wrap yemmdd call sheet expected outcome. You lock the schedule as used today. 3. Archive vendor and booking confirmations, save each confirmation email attachment or PDF as yemmd vendor task confirm, place them in wrap yemmdd bookings expected outcome. Tomorrow you can prove who confirmed what, without researching email. 4. Record pending items with exact next steps in your handoff log, or system notes, list only the items that need attention, pending prop return, pick up tomorrow 8 o'clock to 8:30, confirm driver with X, awaiting vendor confirmation number 1, check status by 7:30, awaiting vendor confirmation number 2, check status after call time expected outcome. You remove ambiguity. People know the next action and the time. 5. Stage tomorrow's folder, open tomorrow staging yemmdd, copy/shortcut the call sheet rev, booking confirmations, and the handoff note link expected outcome. Tomorrow's first hour stays clean, no scavenger hunts. 6. Do the completion check, count your archived files, quick tally is enough, verify the handoff note includes the folder location, confirm every pending item has an owner and due time completion check, use this verbatim, all today's final call sheet updates live in wrap yemmdd/call sheet. All booking confirmations live in wrap yemmdd/bookings. Every pending item has an owner and next due time in the handoff note. Tomorrow staging yemmdd contains the call sheet plus confirmations plus carryover notes. Practical takeaway: you don't just close out tasks, you use stage tomorrow so the team can move immediately. Common pitfalls that break wrap handoffs, and how to fix them. Wrap fails in predictable ways. The fixes are also predictable. Watch for these 3. Pitfall 1. You archive files but you don't hand people the path cores. You assume that because you saved the document, everyone will find it. They won't, especially when their screen time gets crowded with new updates and messages. Do this. In your day wrap handoff note, include the exact folder path or a single system link to the wrap archive. Then list the 2 most important documents by name. Not this. Files are in the shared drive or check the folder. That forces tomorrow's coordinator to search under pressure. Quick warning sign. You wrote the handoff note after archiving, but you didn't open the folder again to confirm it works. Practical takeaway. Your handoff note must answer where is it? And which one matters? Pitfall 2. You save the wrong call sheet revision cores. You grab an older call sheet update from an earlier thread, or you save the version you opened last instead of the version you used for decisions. Do this. Save the call sheet revision you actually followed today, then name it with the revision marker, revx, and the date. Not this. Call sheet final. PDF with no date or revision. That file name looks helpful until you need to compare Rev 2 versus Rev 3. Quick warning sign. Tomorrow's schedule doesn't match what your handoff says, and someone has to ask, which revision did we use? Practical takeaway. Your call sheet file name must work like a timestamped reference, not a guess. Pitfall 3. You leave pending items without a next time cause. You mark something pending and move on. Then tomorrow starts with questions like when do we check this? Or who owns it now? Do this. For every pending item, add, next action, what someone must do, due time, when they must do it, owner, who does it, not this, awaiting confirmation with no time and no owner. Quick warning sign. Your open items list shrinks today, but your handoff note grows vague. Practical takeaway. Tomorrow shouldn't need interpretation. Your notes should include the next step and the next time. Wrap clothes out that actually protects tomorrow's schedule. When you close your day with the wrap ready checklist, you stop treating wrap like cleanup and start treating it like record keeping. You reduce rework because you eliminate the most common coordination failures, missing paths, wrong revisions, and vague carryovers. Run the checklist once, then tighten it based on what caused the most pain last week. Caleb's rule of thumb is simple: if an item made someone ask a question tomorrow, that item deserves a better file name, a clearer handoff line, or a more specific due time today. Your next move is to make this routine part of your last 20 minutes on set. That's when you can still control the record. Wrap ready checklist, copy/paste for your end of day routine, freeze today's source, save final call sheet pages as yemmd call sheet revx, reconcile deliverables, mark each open item, completed/delivered, completed/awaiting confirmation, or pending, archive with naming rules, store final documents in wrap yemmdd/subfolders, use consistent names, date plus department/vendor plus document type plus version if applicable, write the handoff note, include what finished, what's pending, owner plus due time, and the wrap folder path/link, stage for tomorrow. Copy/shortcut the key files and carry over notes into tomorrow staging _ye mmdd, completion check, confirm the handoff note references the correct folder, confirm every pending item includes a next action and a next time.